well, there I gave you the ASMR version of unboxing. I thought some people might like it. But so now we're gonna go ahead and compare both of these phones. I have the black one here and the white one, and honestly, the white one looks like it's too white. My wife said that it looks like the cameras are just staring at you because they just stand out too much. To me, it is way too white. Like in any lighting, I tried it in multiple different lightings, and it was just way too white. Like they did a really good job this year on setting the white tone to the back of this phone. Obviously, the sides of the titanium white, it's just kind of like regular titanium, which is pretty cool. It's never gonna have those scratches or anything like that the black one might have. But I still do really like the black color a lot better than the white one, personally. As I continue to show you these phones, I would just like to ask if you could like and subscribe. I really, it makes me really happy whenever I see a new subscriber or a new like. So if you guys could please do that would be amazing. But yeah, both of these phones look amazing. I really like the color schemes that they have for these phones. On the sides especially look really nice. But you can't go wrong with the black or white. But I really do like the black a little better than the white. The white just kind of like screams at you and kind of hurts your eyes when you stare at it. All right, have a good one.